What is going on, Supra channel? Welcome back to another video. Guys, check it out. We just got in the next project for the channel, guys. Let me flip this thing around. This is Nick's 1998 not sure what is it, jade. It's a jade green color. I'm not sure, man. Don't quote me on it. I don't really know much about the color, but I know it's extremely rare. But yeah, I wanted to capture you guys as soon as it hits the house. It's totally, we're unloading off the tow truck right now. This is gonna be a full build, guys. We're stripping it down completely. Everything's coming off. This car is getting fully painted. We're fixing everything here. You can see it has a damage to the quarter. We got a door skin coming over here on this side. You guys, for the OG guys, check out the real OG exhaust. HKS Priest, man, that's 30 years old. He's had this car in the family for a long time. His dad used to own it before him. I believe since the year 2000. They're the second owner. They got it right off the original owner in 1998, and they're the second owner right off the, right after I guess the owner turned it into like a, like after a lease or not. But yeah, it's been in the family for a long time, so they wanted everything captured on video, so they could have something to show the family, and that the car is still part of the family, and they're gonna see the build as far as everything goes. But he got these nice BC forged wheels. Car's still on the factory suspension, so don't quote that. We got brakes going in there, full engine build. We're gonna do a whole respray on the car. It's getting a complete build, guys. So big project. All right, so obviously one thing I forgot to mention, he's got every single OEM part to be replaced. New liners, new side skirts over there, new cowl, new front bumper. The hood is new from Toyota, hasn't been painted. He's got the underliner, he's got everything. He's got the new headlights, new turn signals. This still has the one side side skirt that's going to be replaced. Door scale is going to be replaced as well. They have what does he have? He has the wing as well. He wants to do the TRD wing, but we're going to paint maybe both of them just in case the TRD wing is a bad replica, or we can't find a good one. So just in case he needs to go back, we can have two of them already nicely painted. He's got new taillights, new exhaust is going in. This is a very old school exhaust. I haven't seen this in many years. HKS Priest. I'm sure a lot of the newer Supra guys don't know about that, but that's very old school. He's got all fresh new emblems, everything's going new in this car. So oh yeah, guys, looks a lot nicer in the light. You can tell that green pops. It's a very nice color, man. All right, guys, so this is the intro to Nick's Supra. Probably you're gonna see the title below. I'm probably gonna title it, 1200 horsepower Supra Build. Yeah, I like to do these builds based on the goal for the car. I mean, that's gonna be the goal for this one. So we're gonna call the project the 1200 horsepower Supra Build. So you guys are gonna be in tune for that. Remember, guys, if you want to follow along with the build, obviously subscribe to the channel, hit your notifications, comment down below if you want me to cover something specifically, or you want me to just see something, or you want more detail of something, or just whatever it is, man. Just comment down below, send me a message, and I will entertain whatever whatever ideas it's possible to my reach. Thank you, guys. I will catch you guys for part 1, and yeah, let's get this thing started, guys. Excited.